Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Okay, so you have understood the concept of sum x, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Where is that one? Here is a total revenue. Okay, total revenue and okay. So let's make it a little bit more complicated. Okay, let's make it complicated. So it the sum x would be more clear. Okay, so that was our previous. um, That was our previous revenue with help of sum x. Okay, I'm just doing it too, and I'm removing it there. This one. Okay, so let me put it here. Okay, here is the second one. Okay, yeah. So let's make this sum x, this revenue second more complicated, so we can understand sum x more clearly. Okay, so now here is our sales table. Okay, here is our sales table, and we have sales amount. Okay, we have total product. We have unit price. We have product quantity mm, here, and okay, we have a unit price discount percentage.
Zero.
Okay, yeah, unit per. We have already these many, but zero is one of them.
Okay.
Okay, so let's revise our basic concepts. Okay, of maths. If there is unit price, so yesterday we have already discussed about it. So if we are going to calculate the revenue with help of unit price, order quantity, and unit price discount percentage, how we are going to calculate that? So this is unit price into what can we say discount, because sales amount is what's wrong with it? Okay, sales amount is basically it's after discount, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah,
okay,
now again back with this. The title is not clear. The column title is not clear. Unit price is mean.
yeah. Unit price discount means in we got the discount on
Mm,
unit price. Okay, we got the discount on unit price
mm,
for
okay.
single quantity. Okay, that's why one. Yeah, sometimes we are not clear about the names, so we have to verify it with our managers or the senior level, because they decide the naming conditions
Okay.
and the what is called the logic. Okay, so we have to be clear on that. So it should be revenue should be unit price into order quantity multiply by, and it should be 1 minus and our unit price percentage. Okay, unit unit price discount percentage. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, so because this will give us the total revenue. Okay, and it should be minus because we are getting the percentage discount on unit price and order quantities. Yeah, so it should be um, this one. Okay, so this is what we are going to implement in our measure. So remember this logic. Okay, Now let me go to the revenue third. Okay, revenue third. Revenue, one second. Revenue third. Okay, now we have already made this sum x formula. Okay, sum x calculation, which where we have to give the sales table. Okay, and then expression was sales amount, correct?
Mm.
Am I correct? Okay, so it means we have to remove this sales amount with this one. Okay,
Mm.
so how we are going to do that? And everything will be the same. Okay, we need not to change any other thing, but we have to change this one. So unit price into order quantity, okay, into 1 minus, and that was the percentage, correct? PCT. Yeah, this one. Okay. So this is uh, this is how we are going to get revenue from the unit price and order quantity. Also discount. Okay, I'm just pressing enter. So it's little bit complicated than the previous ones. Okay, but we will it we will understand it if we are aware of the previous two measures. Okay, now
Mhm.
let's see if it's giving us the same result. Yes. No, I think there is some mistake. 93203. Here is the point, some point mistake, but
Okay.
everything is correct. Everything is correct. Everything is correct. There is a point mistake only. That is not that much because it's only okay because it is three numbers and it's having the four numbers here. Okay, we can do it. It's three numbers. So what I'm going to do it, I'm just putting it 0, 1, 2. Come on. Uh, yeah, it's four. No, 1 second. Four number, no? Means it's three. It's four number 0.
Mm.
Why is calling me? This is 0 here, 2. Okay. Now let me do 3. Okay. Now let me do 4. Okay. There are some point issue. Okay. Everything is correct with this
Mm.
logic, but here it's giving me 0, 3, 7, 5, but here it's giving me 0, 3, 7, 1. Okay. That is the issue. And in above is giving me 6047, and now here it's giving me 6436. So that is it means somewhere in our logic there is a issue. Somewhere in our logic there is a issue. So unit price we have already done, but it's in percentage. Let me check, was it in percentage or it's in percentage. Yes, that was the issue, I guess. So, and it's in 0.2. I'm just removing this percentage. Now let me check. Yeah. Now let me see here. If it's not percentage, And here it is on 3.3. No, here it is 3. So let me do it 3. Still, it is showing me the point issue. That is not a big issue, but still. Okay, let me do it a general. Okay, now listen 4, 0, 1, 2, no, it's not. Okay, 3 and 4. Mhm. There are some pointer issue. Point issue how quantity into sales into logic is correct. I think there is a okay. Let me do it this way. Okay, this is the same. Yeah, in last, this is giving me the wrong answer.
Why?
Yeah, that's what I'm figuring out. It's an auto, but let me one second. Okay, let me. Okay, I'm just doing it none. I'm just removing the previous. Mhm. No, auto. Copy, paste. No, it's giving me. It means if our logic is correct, and so it means a discount is the issue.
Discount.
Yeah, it means the discount. There is some issue with discount. Okay, okay, maybe because we got, the discount is rounded off. That's why,
Yeah,
um,
percentage. Yes, yes, yes.
that's why we are facing the issue. Yeah,
Mm.
it's not a very big deal. Okay. So my point was to make you understand the SumX and its complicated version. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm just copying and I'm just getting the uh, okay, DAX formatter to beautify our DAX. Okay. Just putting one second. I'm just putting it here and here is the beautiful version of it. And
Mm.
I'm just keeping it here. Okay. Now it's a readable. Everyone can understand. Okay. So that's how our submax work. Okay. Now let me check the document. Did we miss anything? Okay. It's a sales order one minus sales discount price. Yeah, it's same. We don't have any issue. Sales unit and two. Yeah, same. Sales unit order. Okay. One sales. Yeah, we are same. We are correct with our logic. This is the round of issue with a discount. Okay, so
Mm.
we need not to worry about it. I'm just removing it after just getting the revenue. Let's talk about the discount. Okay, what the discount we got. Okay, so discount means discount. What would be the discount? Discount is basically this is our unit price. Okay, and where would be the okay? There is a order quantity. Okay, where is our list price then? It should be in product.
Product. Yes.
No, it's not in product. Okay, yes, it's in product. Yeah, it's in product. Okay, and where is sales, and we have where is that unit price? Where you let me see the unit price, currency, and two. Okay, so what would be the discount? Discount would be list price. Okay, let me. What would be the discount? Discount list price minus list price minus unit price. Unit price. List price is basically what is the markup price? Okay, the maximum price you say. Okay, and I'm just going to you going to multiply it with uh, order quantity. Okay, that would be our discount. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the I can't see here uh, the use case of some extent if I'm just putting it order quantity. Okay, unit order unit price order quantity is list price. Let me see. Let me check in my document. So it is okay because we are using it in list price is from the different table. Okay, from different table. The use
Mm.
case would be okay, and we have relationship between the product table and one second sales and sales order is here. Customer, this is the sales territory. Where is the okay? This is the product. Okay. Okay. So we can either get here the list price with the help of the related function, or we can use it in our measure. So I'm just using it in our measure. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yesterday we have gone through a detailed related function. Okay. Now I'm just picking up it up directly. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is sum x. Sum x is basically iterator function that I'm going to use to sum. Okay. From which table I'm using the sales table. What would be my expression? I just want to see the order quantity. Okay. List price minus unit price. Okay. So one second. Here is order quantity that I'm going to use. And within a bracket, what I'm going to do is I'm just using related and related what? My list price that I'm going to minus with unit price. Okay, here it is. So related. Okay, I need to close it first. This one. Okay, so this should give me the discount. You are getting what I have done?
Yes.
Yes, no? Now, I
Yeah.
think it would be very easy to you to understand the functionality of summons. Okay, because we have gone step by step. Okay, now let's see. This is rupees. I'm just converting it into dollar. Okay, this is our total discount, and let me, let me discount is on. Let me get it into the reason wise. Okay, yeah. So here it is. So we got the discount this one, total this one. Okay.
Pounds 5 million and the revenue is 10 million.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah,
Discounts
total.
5 million
Yes,
and the revenue
almost.
is 10 million. Okay.
Means total discount price. This is the total discount price.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
it's me. The total discount price is half
Mhm.
of the revenue.
Yes, it's half of the revenue.
Okay.
It's suspicious. It looks suspicious to you.
يعني, why they give discount for half of their revenue? It means they
Yes,
lost
sir.
50%.
Yeah, I can't say that. That's a, that's a data. That's
Hmm?
a dummy data. That's not our original
Ah,
company.
okay, okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's a good question. This should be, it increases your analytical skills. So yeah, that's
Mm.
correct. Your ask is correct, but it's a dummy data.
Okay,
Okay.
it's fine, fine then.
Okay. So here, here we have calculated, a different version of uh, the iterator functions. Okay.
Mm.
Revenue percentage from discount. So I think the sum x is quite clear to you. Okay. Should I
Mhm.
remove them all now? Because just for practice, we are not going to use many of the, you know, many of them.
Mm.
Should I
Yeah,
take
yeah,
it
tell
here?
them more.
Okay.
Keep it.
Okay.
So it's good for me. Let's keep it.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Now the discount is okay. Discount is done. Now we are talking about the average. Average or average. And so first, let me tell you what is the average. Okay. Now you can see it's a quite a big data. We have 1 lakh rows here. Okay. So yesterday we were having only 5 rows in our data set,
Mm.
but it's bigger
Mhm.
than the previous one. Now, if we are going to talk about the average of what? Average sales or average revenue. What do you think?
Mm.
Generally, what we do is we just do the sum of revenue, total revenue upon the rows number. Okay, upon the rows
Yes.
number. Generally, we do that. But if it is said that I want the revenue as per order, okay, so
Mm.
we have to look for the order. This is the order line. We have to look for
Okay.
that. Okay. Now, if we are going to see the order line, and order line is showing me no repeated value. Here you can't see the repeated value. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So basically, it would be easy for us, is this upon the total rows of the order line value. Okay. Now, if we want, uh, but here is not order, no? Okay. So, okay, let's calculate first the order line. Then it will be, clear for us. Okay. So order line is basically, uh, order line is basically, it can be, okay, order line, but I can't find here the order. Okay, I can't find it. The order. Okay, sales order is here.
Mm.
Okay, this is the order line, and this is the sales order, and sales order are repetitive. Okay, so uh, I have already told you that sales orders can be duplicate. Okay,
Yes,
it
yes.
can be duplicate, but the order line are the basically uh, you know in any order line you can order multiple products. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let's understand it with the doing the measure. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am creating a measure of average X, average order line, order line. Okay. So what would be the average order line? Mm, average X, average X, and what is the table? It's a sales table. Okay. Now, okay, one second. Sales table. And what I have to do is what expression
relation.
for revenue? Revenue. I have to do it with revenue. Okay. So I'm just putting it here. So um, okay, I'm just making another one. This is my order line. I'm making
Okay.
I'm making it dollar. This is my
Hmm.
order line. Okay. So order line is basically I have taken all the sum. Okay, and I have done just averages of it. Okay.
Mhm.
So let me do it another way where our orders are repetitive. Okay, so order line basically what shows, let me say. So order line does not mean order, and how much revenue does one sales line generate? That is our order line. And order can have multiple lines of orders. Okay, and here it is showing the measure average revenue per row in the sales table. And you can see here it we have already calculated it with different this one, what I can
Hmm.
say, different formula. And I have just used this one only. Okay. So here you can see. Okay. So you need not to worry. I have just, remember I told you I can use my measures in my uh, new measures. Okay. So
Yes.
what I have done is I have just used my previous measure into this
Hmm.
for making this new measure. Okay. So we need not always to do the things basically. Okay. From basics. So rather than this, because it's calculating for revenue, so I'll just directly put it here. Okay. So you need not to worry about that. Okay. So now let me it's an important thing you have to remember. Okay. Now I have to go for the average revenue, average order. Okay. Average order. So where is the average order? Let me see. Average order, order revenue. Okay. It means I want, revenue as per orders. Okay. So means I'm just doing average X. Okay. Table is sales, and my expression would be mm, if my it's a revenue basically, revenue the same. Okay. But the thing is sales 618 sales and me. I want it as per orders. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just putting the orders, but order will not, this is the order. It will not take order this way. So what I need to do is I'm just putting the values. Okay, because it's already a text name. Values. So I'm just doing average. But where is the revenue? Uh, where is the revenue then? In it, I'm not getting the whole definition. I'm going to check my sales orders. Okay, sales orders. So it will, okay, if I have done the value, it will do the distinct value. Okay, distinct value. And from the sales, it should give me the total of this first. Okay, but here in order, I'm not getting sales revenue. There should be revenue as well.
Mm.
There should be revenue. Okay, so let me check. Yes, it should be revenue. Yes, but why is not picking revenue for me? Okay,
You need to create from maybe other related.
no, no, no. The thing is, I got it actually. It should be revenue. Okay, revenue.
Mm.
But why it's not picking the revenue? Because we have given the two tables here. You know, in average, we have already given the sales and the values works as a table as well. Okay, so I don't need this sales. Okay, that's the issue we were
Mm.
facing yesterday as well. And okay,
Mm.
so now I'm just doing it, and we have got the averages. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just putting it in a table, putting it in a table where sales. Okay, sales amount, unit price, product standard or quantity, sales amount, product standard, product standard. Let me take it. Okay, product standard, sales amount, total product. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just picking the order line, this one, and this one. Okay, this is the average. Remove it. I'm just putting it here. Average, average. So it should look like this one. Okay, this way we calculate the average per order line and average. Okay, hello, hello.
Mm. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I think it's your prayer time, I guess.
Mm. Yeah, I think yes.
Yeah, we will continue it
Five
later.
minutes.
Okay?
Five
Yeah, yeah,
minutes.
sure, 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 sure.
No, no. I mean 5 minutes. Then we'll go break. I mean,
No, no, okay. The concept is done. Okay,
okay,
you
okay.
pray and we will continue it later. Okay.
Connect. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.